So the first question is, calculate the average acceleration of Dio and Jotaro for the time where t is equals to 0 seconds and t is equals to 5 seconds. So we will use this function to find the final velocity for both Dio and Jotaro. So the given is time is equals to 0 seconds and 5 seconds. For Dio's initial velocity, it's 25 meters per second, while his acceleration is 0.5 meters per second cube. Jotaro's initial velocity is 22 meters per second, while his acceleration is 1.0 meters per second cube. So let's start solving. When t is 0 seconds, that's in seconds, 25 meters per second plus 0.5 meters per second cube times 0.0 seconds, that's going to get cancelled, so that's 0 already. So the answer is 25 meters per second. When t is equals to 5 seconds, however, 25 meters per second plus 0.5 meters per second cube times 25 seconds squared, that's going to become 12.50 meters per second, and the final answer would be 37.5 meters per second. So let's go to Jotaro's. When t is equals to 0 seconds, that's already equal to 22 meters per second, because anything that is multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. However, when time is equals to 5 seconds, however, we are going to get the answer of 47 meters per second. So we already got some of their final velocities, which we can use for the average accelerations equation. So for DS average acceleration, this is the equation where total velocity divided by total time. So 37.5 meters per second minus by 25 meters per second divided by 5 seconds is equals to 2.5 meters per second. For Jotaro's average acceleration, it's 47 minus 22 meters per second divided by 5 seconds is equals to 5 meters per second squared. So that's the first question answered.